That's actually quite cool to see it like that.
Yeah, so under this is the front sump pan. Okay, so that's your front sump. We just took off this stuffed block. So there's your front sump, right? In the early front sumps, that was really gungy. Right, okay.
Yeah. Look at it. Poo.
So that's your Gen 1, Gen 2, and your Gen 3. So your firstly your VVTIs all have that. The difference in the VVTI sump is they've got a support across here, and they've got extra ribbing in them for your pleasure.
Oh, for my pleasure.
Yeah, well, someone's pleasure.
It's about time.
So that's the early sump, and then this is the late front sump. So you can just buy it, and it's already recessed and cut out, and it's easy, job done. It's already cut across here. So really good for things like Altezas and stuff like that, and some Hiluxes that's quite handy as well. Just saves having to make it. You know, we've cut plenty up.
My Hilux would have done something like that.
Yeah, so we've cut heaps of them up, but it's when you can just buy the parts, it's easier. So this is a 3UZ rear sump. You see they've done something similar with the pan as well. I think that one's had a big smack in the middle of it. It's not ideal, is it? But yeah, they recessed the back of it again to give it more clearance.